If you're shopping for a home in Southlake, Texas with a budget between $2 and $3 million, these are the neighborhoods you need to know about. But here's the kicker. There's one neighborhood that's getting a ton of hype, but it might not live up to it, and I'll explain why. Stick around because by the end, you're gonna know exactly which neighborhood is right for you and which ones you may want to think twice about. First up is Southlake Meadow and Southlake Manor, and technically these are two different neighborhoods, but honestly you wouldn't even know if you're just driving through. Southlake Meadows has 89 homes built by Toll Brothers, which is a luxury production home, and they sit on 1/3 to 1 acre lots. Southlake Manor though is much smaller and just 9 homes, completely custom builds by Our Country Homes. These are on the larger north lots, south facing, averaging about 3/4 of an acre. In Southlake Meadows and Southlake Manor, you'll find newer, modern homes with space for a pool, outdoor kitchen, or just backyard adventures with the kids. It's perfect for young families, but there is a trade-off. There's fewer mature trees. Well, this is very typical of production builders. But location-wise, you're just 3 minutes from the brand new Lifetime Fitness, and the neighborhood has its own walking trail for fresh air or walking the dog. The price point here is averaging between 1.8 and 2.9 million. The square footage averages about 5,900 square feet, and the median home price is just $20.19. So they are newer homes. So what if you want something maybe a little older with more character and mature trees? This next one has it. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate broker here in Southlake, Texas and the surrounding cities. So if you would like help finding your best home in the best neighborhood that matches your lifestyle, all you have to do is fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below and schedule a one-on-one Zoom consultation, and I'd be so happy to help. I'm also happy to give you a Southlake tour or other city tours like Flower Mound, maybe Colleyville, Keller, Frisco, Plano, Prosper, all those great cities in North Texas. I'd be happy to help. Just fill out the questionnaire in the link below and schedule a Zoom call. Estes Park, I love this neighborhood, especially the custom side. Similar to our last neighborhood, there are two different sections. One has the Toll Brothers production luxury homes, and then you have the custom estate lots. And the custom is the real draw to this neighborhood. Here you're gonna find one-of-a-kind estates and where no two homes look the same. Think like handcrafted details, timeless architecture, and big personality. Lots range from 1/3 to 3/4 of an acre, with homes in the $2 to $3 million range. Though in the Toll Brothers side, sometimes you can get under $2 million if the home needs updated. This neighborhood has some lovely trails. There's a catch and release pond, actually 2 of them. Beautiful. It's beautiful as you drive through the neighborhood. You also have quick access to Highway 114, and you're only 5 minutes away from the Southlake Town Square, even though you're north of 114. So if you want the identity and charm, not the cookie cutter luxury homes, then this custom side of Estes Park, this is it. This is convenience in the heart of Southlake. Now let's talk about one of Southlake's most recognizable neighborhoods, Shady Oaks. Shady Oaks is like convenience in the heart of Southlake. The location is hard to beat. You have Bicentennial Park next door, the Mark, which is an event space and recreation center. And similar to Estes Park, you're just 5 minutes down the street from the town square, shopping and dining. Prices range from 1.7 to 3.5, with homes built around 2014. HOAs do range from $1,500 a year to $2,800, and that really depends on what lot you sit on. This one's all about convenience and maybe even a little bit of name recognition, but if you're looking for something a little more hidden and private and exclusive, let me show you the next one. Laurelwood Park is a beautiful neighborhood most people drive past without even noticing, and that's exactly the point. It's like one of Southlake's hidden gems. It's just one street surrounded by multi-million-dollar estates in the $5 to $12 million range, and homes here sit on 1 acre lots with an average of 7,000 square feet, and most were built around 1999. So some of these homes could use a few updates, but the location and the privacy and the prestige, may be well worth it. The exclusivity really makes it special. Homes rarely come on the market, and when they do, they go fast. So in Laurelwood Park, expect to pay $2.3 to $3 million and up. Now we're going to talk about a neighborhood that feels a little picturesque, a little Storybook-like. This is Winding Creek. I'd say it's Storybook charm with a very convenient location. Winding Creek is much smaller, but it's one of the most charming neighborhoods in Southlake. A creek literally winds through the community, giving it a peaceful, almost movie set feel. It's also super central, close to the town square, central market, and plenty of restaurants. Homes here go from about $2 to $3 million. The average square foot is about 5,000, and most of these homes were built around 2015, so they're not that old. The HOA runs about $2,600 to $3,100 a year. The perks? Well, you have beautiful landscaping, a fishing lake, and jogging paths. So what's the trade-off? Well, they are much smaller lots compared to other neighborhoods in Southlake. Now let's compare that to Carillon, which is one of Southlake's biggest, most amenity-rich neighborhoods. Carillon is like community plus luxury combined. Carillon is a master planned community that combines luxury living, but so many amenities for that community feel where you can get to know your neighbors. It's really the perfect community for those who are looking to make friends. Here you're going to find a mix of both luxury production homes as well as completely custom from local high-end builders. You'll see pools, trails, multiple parks, and even separate sections ranging from villas all the way to large estates. Homes range from 1.1 to 3.2 million, and the average square footage is about 5,400 on 1/3 acre lots. So if you're looking for a social, community-driven lifestyle while still living in luxury, Carillon might be it. And then right across the street, there's Carillon Park, which is where all the controversy is. Carillon Park is the development that everyone is talking about, but let's be real. It may not be for you. The location is prime, and luxury retail and dining are coming soon within walking distance. But here's the catch. Tiny lots. They're putting in 0 lot line villas in this section. And you're gonna have constant construction noise and very little backyard space. If you want a pool, it will likely be a small courtyard pool or a cocktail pool. Prices start at 2.4 million and go on up past 3.2 or so, and the square footage ranges from 4,000 to 5,300 square feet. You can get anywhere from 2 to 4 car garage, and they are fit pretty snug. So who's this neighborhood for? Well, anyone that wants a low maintenance lifestyle. So maybe you're an empty nester, maybe you have kids, but you don't really care about the backyard. I don't know. Anybody who wants a low maintenance lifestyle with the convenience of shopping and a little bit of entertainment at your fingertips and restaurants, this is who it's for. It's really kind of like a lock and leave community. But if you are after space and privacy, this may not be the fit for you. So let me know what you think. Would you trade space for convenience? Let me know in the comments. So if you are moving to Southlake, let me know. I would love to help. Let's jump on a Zoom call and I can match your lifestyle with the right community, as well as give you access to off-market homes for sale. You can't find these online. All you have to do is fill out the Dream Home Questionnaire in the link below, and I'd be so happy to help.